I'm sitting in a 2011 Ford Edge. We have no keys. We're going to program 2 keys in. The My Key system was active previously, so we're going to erase that and start over. So start with Ford. Put a flex. Enter. 2011. Key and IC key. Enter. Let's see how many keys that are programmed to this vehicle already. There's 3. We're going to do an erase key. Must have 2 keys. Yes. Okay. Transponders are erased. Would I like to program keys? Yes. Okay. To on. Enter. We're going to do 2 keys. Okay. Take the next key. Put it in ignition. There we go. Okay, that should do it. We're going to go to count keys. Okay, there's 2 keys programmed in memory. The My Key system automatically resets back to default once that happens. So I can take my keys out of here. We can try our remotes. They work. Here's another one. They work. We'll go ahead and unplug. Look at the dashboard here. We'll go ahead and turn the key on. Snuff lights on the bottom left is extinguished. Check the other key. Turn it on. Light is out. Vehicle starts, and we are done.